Bubulands Labubu review pricing explained what you get for your money. If you ever seen the viral collectible doll Enche brand, Labubu, Zero and come across the site Enche brand, Bubulands, Zero or Bubulands, come offering exclusive versions, you want to listen up because many people get this wrong. Here's the backdrop. The original Labubu line is created by Hong Kong-based designer and sold via official retailers. But reports show a wave of counterfeit or scam operations around the hype. Site regarding Bubulands.com. The trust rating is extremely low. One review. Collection shows a 1. 2 out of 5 Trustpilot score. Site what you get when you pay. Potential access to an exclusive Labubu figure. The social media thrill of unboxing. Maybe a rare variant. What you give up. Far higher risk of non-delivery, counterfeits or inflated pricing. For example, reviewers say they ordered multiple dolls and never received them. One said, "Definitely scam. I'm still waiting for my order from 2 months ago." Site pricing tends to be inflated. Genuine rare Labubu figures resell for high prices in collector markets, but that doesn't guarantee authenticity when buying from a site with mixed reviews. The surprising truth, just because the price is high doesn't guarantee you're getting a real, legit piece. If you're considering buying, here are key steps. Verify the seller. Look for established retailer with verified reviews, not just hype. Check return or refund policy. If it's vague, that's a red flag. Buy the price. If it's too good to be true or way above standard retail for a regular figure, question why. Inspect when it arrives. Check packaging, serial numbers, branding. Counterfeits often fail these. In conclusion, if you're a serious collector willing to accept risk, maybe you'll gamble, but for casual purchase it may not be worth paying the markup and risking disappointment. Stay safe, check everything. If you liked this review, hit subscribe for more tips on spotting collectible scams.